Kushimasu VS Nishimasu. Nani nani kushimasu. Nani nani ni nishimasu. How do you use between nani nani kushimasu and nani nani nishimasu? Nani nani is mean something that we don't know. So in this lesson or in this video clip, we will learn about how to use and the meaning of nani nani kushimasu and nani nani nishimasu. The meaning of nani nani kushimasu or nani nani nishimasu is mean that you do something and you change from one situation to be another situation. And kushimasu we use when we use with the adjective, and nishimasu we use in the case that we use with noun, a noun or a non-adjective. So as you see here, we have some example like this. In this example, they say, Oto o okiku shimasu. Oto o okiku shimasu. Which means I will turn the volume up. I will turn the volume up. In here we have oki, right? Oki is from the adjective. Oki is mean big, big. But in this case, we use with shimasu, right? So when you use the adjective with the shimasu, you should cut out the e and you put kushimasu. As you see here, okiku shimasu, which means that you will turn the volume up and you get louder. So in the case like this, you can use okiku shimasu. Or for example, you can use like jisai, right? Jisai is mean volume down or down the volume. So you can say jisaku shimasu. Oto o jisaku shimasu. Or oto o okiku shimasu. So when you use with the adjective, that means you should cut out the e and put kushimasu. That means you change from the one situation to be another situation. In here, in this symbol, this you say oki, which means kushimasu, is mean that you listen just the normal volume, and so you want to get here louder, so you can say oki kushimasu is changed from the normal status to be the higher volume or volume up that you can hear louder. So change from situation to be another situation. We can use with okiku shimasu. So what okiku shimasu? Oto, right? Oto is mean the sound of the volume. So in here we also have the example like this. Tanaka-san wa heya o kirei ni shimasu. Tanaka-san wa heya o kirei ni shimasu. Which means Tanaka-san will clean the room. Tanaka-san will clean the room. In here we have kirei, right? Kirei ni shimasu. So what is the kirei? Kirei is mean clean, to be kirei is mean to be clean, to be beauty. So kirei is from the non-adjective. So when you use with a non-adjective, you just put ni, not ku. So you can say kirei ni shimasu, which means you will clean the room. Heya o kirei ni shimasu, which means you will clean the room, and the room will be not dirty. So when you use with the now or nice tip, you can say ni not ku, but it's changed from the one situation to be another situation. For example, from the dirty to be clean, to be beautiful. So that's we change from situation to be another situation. Change what? The heya, right? Heya is mean the room. So you clean the room. And this example, they say, shio no ryou o hanbun ni shimashita. Shio no ryou o hanbun ni shimashita. Which means I have the amount of the sound. I have the amount of the sound. In here we have let's see together. Shio is mean the sound. Shio is mean sound. No ryou. Ryou is mean among, right? Among. So among of the sound. O hanbun. Hanbun is the noun, right? So hanbun is mean half, right? Hanbun in Japanese, they say hanbun and it means that half ni shimashita. So hanbun is the noun, so you can say ni not ku. So hanbun ni shimashita, which means I have the amount of sound, which means you just use half of the sound, not all. So this is about how to use ni shimasu and kushimasu. In here, you see that in front of the sentence, they don't say Tanaka-san or Sushi-san wa shi no ryou o hanbun ni shimashita. They don't say that. In the case they don't say like that, it means you say about the person who speak the sentence. Do like the sentence. You see here. But if not, the speaker, they will put the name of the person who do as this sentence. So in here we also have this sample like this. Heya wa shinguru ni shimasu ka? Tsui ni shimasu ka? Heya wa shinguru ni shimasu ka? Tsui ni shimasu ka? Which means, would you like a single room or a twin? Would you like a single room or twin? So in here we can see that shinguru is means single, shinguru, and twin is mean twin. So when you want to decide or you want to ask another person for other person decide something, which mean decide what? Decide the room, right? Heya is mean the room. You need a single room or a twin room. You can say, make a question like ni shimasu ka? Right? Ni shimasu ka? Shinguru ni shimasu ka? Tsui ni shimasu ka? This is how to create a sentence by using ni shimasu. For example, in the last moment, we will learn about how to use okiku shimasu, right? Oto o okiku shimasu. You can create a question sentence like Oto o okiku shimasu ka? Right? So you can create a question example like this. And you can say, if you say to another body, you can say you want another body do something for you by using nishimasu or kushimasu. For example, you want your friend to after a volume, you can say for example, your friend name is Tanaka-san. You can say Tanaka-san, oto o okiku shite kudasai. Right? Okiku shite kudasai is mean please volume up. So oto o chisaku shite kudasai. Please volume down. So this is about the difference between how to use nani nani kushimasu and nani nani nishimasu. If you have any question, please comment below. I will be happy to answer your question. ありがとうございました。